Personal hygiene is the most important thing to maintain optimal health standards at home, school, or work. In order to achieve a good hygiene level, human beings, no matter how young or old, need to wash their hands as frequently as needed. But the dilemma is you can't actually have a sink always near you, and if you do have it, the possibility of getting hot water where you need it, the cost of plumbing along with the wastewater drainage are among a number of issues that keep you cringing. What if you can have instant hot water hand wash sinks just about anywhere you can imagine? That's what Ozark River Portable Sinks offers you. Ozark River manufactures high-quality hot water portable hand wash sinks so that your staff, students, your customers, or even your friends and family can enjoy the luxury of washing their hands with fresh hot water, whether inside, outside, or anywhere. A hot water sink you can move and place wherever you want, and as quickly as you want, and as often as you want. Your staff's clean hands using NSF-certified Ozark River portable sinks keeps your customers safe from bacteria and germs, hence boosting sales and reducing liability for a variety of businesses, including grocery store chains, food and beverage servers, caterers, beauty salons, tattoo studios, healthcare facilities, and even improving classroom hygiene that reduces absenteeism from sickness among school-age and preschool-age children and the staff. All of this with Ozark River portable hot water hand sinks. With Ozark River's award-winning product reliability, durable construction, superior design, stress-free installation, and portability, you get a whole lot more than just hot water without the need of additional plumbing or energy costs. Hand washing has never been this hot. For more details, visit www.ozarkriver.com or call 1-866-663-1982.